have already learned that pronouns are words which are used in place of nouns to avoid repetition. So now let us learn some more pronouns. So this is a scene from Ranveer's classroom. One day during the lunch break, Ranveer said to everyone in his class, what did he say? He said, Ranveer bought a video game yesterday. Ranveer played with the video game throughout the day. Ranveer got scolded. Now, isn't it very boring and very lengthy to say or write Ranveer again and again? So what do? Ranveer, we know, is a noun. Now we can replace nouns using pronouns. So what is the pronoun I can use in place of Ranveer here? The pronoun which I use is I. So instead of Ranveer, I is used over here. I bought a video game yesterday. I played with the video game throughout the day. I got scolded. Now why is this I used? It is used because Ranveer is the speaker. This is Ranveer and he is talking about himself. So Ranveer is talking about himself. So when the speaker refers to himself, so whenever I talk about myself, the pronoun used is I. So Ranveer will never say Ranveer did this, Ranveer did that. He will say I did it. So I is the pronoun used for the person speaking. So now can you tell me what will be the pronoun used here? Shruti showed her birthday gift to her friends and told them, Dash got this drawing book. Who got a drawing book? Shruti got a drawing book. So Shruti wants to say that Shruti got this drawing book. But when a person is speaking about himself or herself, so in this case we have Shruti. In the previous case we had Ranveer, a boy. In this case we have Shruti, a girl. So what will be the pronoun used here? So we know that when a person is referring to himself or herself, they never use their name. What is used is the pronoun I. So Shruti will say, I got this drawing book. So always the pronoun used when the person wants to refer to himself or herself is I. It is used both for masculine and feminine gender. So I is the person who is speaking. It is a pronoun used for the person who is speaking. That is the first person. So the person who is speaking is the first person and singular. That means he is referring only to himself or herself. So I refers to just one person and that person is speaking about himself or herself. Now I is a personal pronoun. What are personal pronouns? A personal pronoun is a pronoun that refers to a particular person, group or thing. It is called a pronoun because it takes the place of a noun in a sentence. So the pronouns which refer to a person, group or thing are called personal pronouns. So I is a personal pronoun. Let us learn some more personal pronouns. So Ranveer said, Dhruv, Hiten and I played together. Dhruv, Hiten and I played at the school ground. So this is Ranveer and he is saying these sentences. Now if you see, he is using the pronoun I because now we know Ranveer will not say Dhruv, Hiten and Ranveer played together. He will use the pronoun I. But he is referring to Dhruv and Hiten along with himself. Dhruv, Hiten and I. Dhruv, Hiten and I. These are repeated again and again. So how can we further shorten it? So these things are repeated again and again. Again, these are also naming words or nouns. So we need to use pronouns to make it shorter. What is the pronoun that we can use here? The pronoun that we can use here is we. So we played at the school ground. Now if you notice, Dhruv, Hiten and I, when it is used for the first time, I am not writing we here. Why? Because for the first time we need to make it very clear who all is Ranveer referring to. So if I use we here, it could be Hiten and Ranveer, it could be Dhruv and Ranveer, or it could be someone else also. So for the first time, to make it clear who all is this we referring to, or who all does this we stand for, we need to specify the names of the people, and then second time onwards we can use we. So we played at the school ground means Dhruv, Hiten and I. This I is for Ranveer. So we played at the school ground means Ranveer is saying that Dhruv, Hiten and I played at the school ground. Now over here Ranveer is saying Dhruv and Hiten played together. Dhruv and Hiten played at the school ground. So can we use the pronoun we? No, we cannot use the pronoun we here, because we is used only when the speaker is also included. In this case, Ranveer is not including his name. There is no Ranveer or no I over here. So Ranveer is not including his name. So the pronoun we cannot be used here. What will be the pronoun used here then? We'll come to that later. But we can be used only if the speaker is also included. So we is the person who is speaking and referring to himself or herself along with others. So the person who is speaking means the first person, and he is referring to himself and herself along with others. So there is more than one person. So we have plural. So we is used for first person plural. Note that the person who is speaking should always be included when we is used. So now let us fill in the blanks using pronouns. Namita and her family are going for a picnic. Namita said dash are going for a picnic. Now who all are going for a picnic? Namita and her family. So there is more than one person. Namita and her family. So it is plural. And who is saying it? Namita is saying it. And Namita is also included. So it is first person. So Namita wants to refer to herself and her family. And the pronoun used is we. So the person who is speaking is also included along with others. So we are going for a picnic. Now can you answer this on your own? Rohan said dash get up early in the morning. So Rohan gets up early, and Rohan said Rohan gets up early. So Rohan is talking about himself. Now when I talk about myself, the pronoun used is I. So Rohan is referring to himself and only to himself with no other people. So the pronoun used will be I. I get up early in the morning. Now try this one. Dash go to school with my father. Dash both go by car. So this girl is saying dash go to school with my father. So we can see that this girl is going to school. The father is not going to school. The girl is going to school. So she is referring to herself. So the pronoun used will be I, and dash both go by car. So both means she is referring to two people, herself and her father, and we can see that they are going by the car. So she is referring to herself along with her father. So speaker and someone else. So the pronoun used is we. So I go to school with my father. We both go by car. So whenever we have the first person, that is the person speaking, the pronoun used for singular, that is when the person wants to refer to himself, is I. And for plural, that is the person referring to himself along with others, is we. Note that the person must always be included, that is the person speaking must always be included when it is we. And it is used both for masculine and feminine gender. So for both the genders, we use I and we. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.